Guys, let's be very honest. You've tried everything, right? Skipping breakfast, drinking a lot of things. The distance that you've covered there, by now, if for day USA, you've been jogging, sir, but still, the belly day there. Here's what most people don't know. Belly fat isn't just about food or exercise. It is what is happening inside your body, your stress, your hormones, and your habits. Don't worry, today, let's face this belly thing once and for all. Let's go. See, belly fat isn't always about what you eat. Sometimes it's just your stress, your hormones, and your daily habits. When you are constantly worried about work, rent, relationship, your boyfriend is stress you, your girlfriend is stress you, your body produces cortisol. And my guy, cortisol is your worst enemy. They love to store fat right here. That's why some people even don't eat much, but yet their stomach be bigger than those of us that eat plenty. So step 1, before diet and gym, calm your system down, calm your body down, sleep well, stop overthinking. The belly fat it come already, so what are you thinking about again? Do things that genuinely make you happy and relaxed. Is it sex? Is it gym? Is it music? You can mention that these simple things help. They reduce the cortisol level, balance your hormonal level, and that's when belly fat starts to what? Reduce. Alright, now that you've calmed your body down, then you can go to the next step, which is to fix your food, what you eat and when you eat it. If your day goes like skipping breakfast, taking your first meal around 11 a.m. and then in the evening around 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. now that you are taking your evening meal, sometimes rice, bangkun, fufu, and your special indomie with all the toppings, my brother, my sister, your body no go rest. When you eat heavy and late, digestion slows down and your body starts to store fat right around your belly instead of burning it. And to make things worse, you are taking in hidden sugars. Those energy drinks, those sugary drinks, Bigo, Bell Cola, even that small ketchup on the side, they keep your sugar levels so high and your body way of reducing it is to produce insulin, which unfortunately promotes fat storage, especially around the belly. That's why even when you eat small, your belly still shows. So do this instead. Eat more protein and fiber diet like eggs, vegetables, fruits, beans, fish. Cut down those sugary drinks. And if you have to eat heavy, do it early during the day around 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. so that your body will get enough time to burn it. This alone plus stress relief can start to trim your belly even before exercise. Now that you've handled your stress and fixed your diet, it is now time to move your body. Without managing your stress and fixing your diet, it will be difficult to trim down the belly fat because of those high levels of cortisol and insulin. Focus on smart movement. 1. Normal brisk walking, 30 minutes after every meal is enough. Add short strength movements like squats, light weights or push-ups, or even skip rope or play football, or do anything that makes you sweat a little. Do these small movements, but consistently. That's when your body starts to burn this belly fat day by day, bit by bit. So here's a quick tip. If you've done everything that I've said, starting with stress management, food and exercise, you can add supplements like Slim Smart that can give a little boost to your body. But hey, this is not magic. It works best when you stay consistent with your routine. It manages your metabolism as well as your cravings. So hey, let's start small, stay consistent, and let's bury this belly fat thing once and for all. DrLeøn, I'm out.